Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Fundrise for real estate income, complete guide step by step clearly. Fundrise is an innovative platform that allows you to invest in real estate with ease. First, navigate to the Fundrise website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button on the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. After registering, check your email for a verification link to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log into Fundrise. Next, complete your investor questionnaire to determine your risk tolerance and investment goals. This step is crucial as it helps Fundrise tailor investment opportunities to your preferences. After completing the questionnaire, explore the investment offerings available on the platform. Fundrise typically offers a variety of funds, including diversified portfolios and specific real estate projects. Review each fund's details, including past performance, expected returns, and investment strategy. Select a fund that aligns with your financial goals. Then, decide how much you want to invest in that fund. Fundrise typically accepts investments starting from $500. Once you choose your investment amount, add it to your cart and proceed to checkout. At this stage, review your investment summary and ensure all details are correct. After confirming, you will be prompted to input your payment information to complete the transaction. Once your investment is made, you can monitor your portfolio through the Fundrise dashboard. The dashboard provides insights into performance, real estate holdings, and cash distributions. Fundrise pays out dividends and quarterly updates, so keep an eye on your account for those notifications. As your investment matures, you can choose to reinvest dividends or withdraw them as cash. Consider setting up automatic reinvestments for compounding returns. Lastly, periodically reassess your investment strategy and goals as your financial situation evolves. With these steps, you can confidently use Fundrise to generate real estate income. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.